Sick of sliding under your car, fighting stubborn drain plugs, and dealing with oil spills all over your garage floor? What if you could change your oil right in your driveway? No lifting the car, no mess on your hands. Stick around as we count down the top 7 oil extractors on the market, leading up to the one that could completely change how you maintain your ride. 7. Is Strepo Fluid Extractor. At first glance, this is a syringe-style manual extractor built for small, precise garage tasks. It has a transparent cylindrical body that holds up to 500 cc's of fluid, basically looking like a giant medical syringe. The concept is simple. Attach a thin hose, drop it into a reservoir, and pull the rear T-handle to draw fluid into the chamber. During testing, that clear body actually helped a lot. We could easily see the fluid color and volume. We used it to pull out some burnt, dark power steering fluid from an older sedan before refilling it. It got the job done, and being able to hold it in one hand while guiding the hose with the other made tight engine bays easier to manage. But here's the catch. The moment you try anything bigger, the XRPO falls apart, literally in usefulness. With just 500 cc's capacity, it's completely impractical for a full oil change. You'll be stuck pumping, detaching, emptying, and reconnecting over and over again just to drain a standard engine. What should be quick turns into a messy, frustrating cycle with oil dripping every time you transfer. And the build quality? Not great. The plastic feels thin and cheap, and the internal seals don't inspire confidence. When you tried thicker, cold oil, it took serious effort to pull the handle, and it constantly felt like the seals might give out under pressure. 5. 4 Uncle's 6-liter manual vacuum oil extractor. Now we're getting into serious tools designed for full oil changes. This unit features a sturdy 6-liter reservoir, enough for most 4-cylinders and even a few 6-cylinder engines. It's fully manual, but surprisingly efficient. Just feed the tube down the dipstick, pump the handle a few times to create vacuum, and watch the oil flow. We tested it on a mid-size SUV, and honestly, it impressed. The suction quickly pulled out warm oil with ease. The build quality is a huge upgrade too. The tank feels thick, solid, and durable, with no flecks or worrying noises. It also has a clear measuring scale on the side, so you can track exactly how much oil you've removed. And since it doesn't need electricity or air tools, you can use it anywhere. Huge plus for portability. 4. Duratec 500cc Fluid Extractor. Now you might be wondering how a 500cc syringe beats a 6-liter tank. Simple. Quality and versatility. The Duratec is built on another level compared to cheaper syringe models. It features heavy-duty construction with dual thick rubber O-rings, creating a tight seal and strong vacuum. Even when pulling thick, cold gear oil, it held pressure perfectly. The clear body is durable and resistant to chemical damage, making it great for long-term use. We used it to drain and refill a manual transmission, and the smooth plunger made pushing thick fluid back in incredibly easy. It also includes secure locking connectors, so hoses won't pop off under pressure. No surprise oil showers. Plus, the flexible tubing makes it perfect for tight spots, like power steering reservoirs or differentials. It's not meant for full oil changes, but for everything else, it's one of the best tools you can have in your garage. 3. 4 Uncle's 6.5-liter pneumatic and manual oil extractor. This takes the number 5 pick and upgrades it with dual-mode power and a slightly bigger tank. It's built for serious DIYers and pros who want speed and backup reliability. Hook it up to an air compressor and it becomes hands-free and fast. The Venturi system creates strong vacuum in seconds. We drained a 5-liter oil pan in just minutes while prepping other tools. No air compressor? No problem. The manual pump works just as well. Switching between modes is seamless, making it super versatile whether you're in a shop or working remotely. And that 6.5-liter capacity? Perfect for most vehicles without needing to stop mid-job. 2. EWK 6.5-liter pneumatic and manual oil extractor. EWK is a trusted name in automotive tools, and this extractor shows why. It has a similar dual-mode setup, but with better refinement and durability. Right out of the box, it feels premium. Thick tank, solid valves, sturdy connections, it screams professional grade.
When connected to air, the suction is powerful and fast, pulling out even thick, high-mileage oil with ease. One standout feature is the built-in pouring spout, which makes emptying used oil clean and hassle-free. The included nylon tubes strike the perfect balance, flexible enough to navigate tight paths, but rigid enough not to collapse under pressure. 1. OEM Tools 24308 Oil Extractor. Sometimes the best tool isn't the flashiest, it's the one that just works every single time. This 5.3-liter manual extractor is all about reliability, power, and simplicity. When we tested it, the efficiency was honestly impressive. Just 4 to 5 pumps created a vacuum strong enough to pull over 5 liters of oil without needing another stroke. What really sets it apart is its rugged construction. The thick, one-piece tank is nearly indestructible, built to survive real-world abuse. No complicated valves or fragile parts, just solid, dependable performance. It also features a smart auto shutoff system. Once the tank fills up, the internal float stops the vacuum automatically, preventing messy overflows. Bottom line, it's not flashy, but it's a workhorse, and easily the most reliable oil extractor on this list.